Hey gamers, so you are trying to get better at your favorite video game? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to tell you the secret to becoming a pro in no time. Now, becoming a better gamer doesn't happen overnight, and it's not a simple process. It takes hard work, dedication, and practice. That's why I'm here to help you out with some tips and tricks to help you get to the next level. First of all, practice makes perfect. That's right, practice really does make perfect. It's important to set aside time each day to play. It doesn't have to be for long, even just 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Make sure you're focused during this time and take the time to really study the controls and the mechanics of the game. Secondly, pay attention to the details. This doesn't just mean studying the controls, but understanding the finer points of the game mechanics. You need to have a good understanding of how the game works in order to be successful. Take the time to read tutorials, watch videos of experienced gamers playing the game, and analyze your own mistakes when you make them. Third, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are plenty of helpful gamers out there who are more than willing to give you tips and advice. Don't be afraid to reach out to experienced gamers in forums, on social media, or even in person. Don't be afraid to make mistakes either, as this is how we learn and grow. Fourth, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different strategies and approaches. Some might work and some might not, but you'll never know until you try. Plus, experimenting can help you to gain a better understanding of the game and come up with new ideas. Fifth, have fun. It's easy to get caught up in trying to get better and forget about the fun of playing. So make sure to take some time to enjoy the game and have fun. Now, don't forget that becoming a better gamer also means taking care of yourself. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat properly, and get regular exercise. All of these things can help you stay focused and alert while you're playing. And if you ever feel like you're getting too stressed out or overwhelmed while playing, don't be afraid to take a break. Taking a few minutes to step away can help you to relax and refocus. Remember, becoming a better gamer doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work, dedication, and practice. But if you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a pro in no time. Good luck and happy gaming!